What is Gemini? Gemini is Google's most advanced AI model yet. Picture this, an AI that's not just a one-trick pony. It's like a Swiss Army knife, but for AI tasks. Gemini comes in 3 flavors: Ultra, Pro, and Nano. Think of them as the good, the better, and the best. Ultra handles complex tasks. Pro is a jack of all trades, and Nano, well, it's the Speedy Gonzalez of the trio, great for on-device tasks. Capabilities. Okay, folks, now let's talk capabilities. Gemini is like the Einstein of AI models. It scored 90% on the MMLU benchmark, surpassing human experts. And on the multimodal questions, it's ahead of its predecessor GPT-4, scoring 59%. This AI isn't just playing in the kiddie pool, it's out there swimming with the sharks. First off, Gemini is a multimodal marvel. What does that mean? It's like having a team of experts rolled into one. You've got a linguist, an artist, a coder, and even a movie critic, all working together seamlessly. Gemini understands and processes text, images, audio, video, and code without breaking a sweat. Now let's get into the nitty-gritty. Gemini Ultra, the beefiest of the bunch, is like the heavyweight champion in complex tasks. It's acing tests left and right, outperforming humans in areas like reading comprehension, math, physics, you name it. But wait, there's more. It's not just about being a bookworm. Gemini Ultra is also showing promising results in understanding natural images, audio, and video. Think of it as developing a keen sense for the digital world. Gemini Pro is like the middle child, perfectly balanced. It's the best model for a wide range of tasks. Kind of like your all-rounder friend who's good at everything but doesn't brag about it. And then there's Gemini Nano. Small but mighty, this one's optimized for on-device tasks. It's like having a mini genius in your pocket. But hey, let's not forget that with great power comes great responsibility. While Gemini's capabilities are mind-blowing, it's still learning to navigate the complex world of human language and visuals. And yes, it sometimes trips over its digital feet and makes up stuff, but hey, who doesn't? Pros and cons. But wait, it's not all rainbows and unicorns. While Gemini's benchmark performance is like a bodybuilder flexing at the gym, there are some caveats. It's still not perfect with images and video, and like all AIs, it can hallucinate. No, not the fun kind. It sometimes makes stuff up, which can be a bit of a party pooper. Impact on humanity. As for its impact on humanity, it's a mixed bag. On one hand, Gemini could revolutionize how we handle data, making sense of vast information like a digital Sherlock Holmes. But on the other hand, its flaws remind us that AI, like humans, isn't infallible. Conclusion. So there you have it, folks. Google's Gemini might be the new AI kid on the block, but it's showing some serious muscle. Will it outshine its AI siblings? Only time will tell. And remember, no AI can yet make a decent cup of coffee. So baristas, your jobs are safe for now. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring that bell for more mind-bending tech updates. Until next time, keep questioning the world around you.